Look. Look. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel SA Travel Diaries. This is the continuation of the Yosemite series. This is the second video. If you haven't watched the first video, you can click the I button right there. Yeah, right there. So in this video, we traveled from Mid-Pines to Yosemite National Forest through El Portal entrance. It's on the 140. The drive is really good. It only took us 35 minutes to come to the entrance. It was a Saturday, but it was a lot of traffic to get in, so it took us 2 hours to get inside the park. And when we got in, there was a lot of traffic. There was no place to park. So when they gave us a map, we parked on the number 11. And after that, we walked through the valley. We took some amazing shots. You can watch the video and enjoy. Thank you. So if you're still here, let us know if you are enjoying the video in the comments and if we need to do something different. And also subscribe to our channel.